What cycling gear have you bought that you regret the most?
Well, that's a good question. Anything I've bought that I regret, I've sold. I won't name the brands, but I bought a lot of the some of the mainstream brands back in the day, and I've sold all that because it was boring. Trying to think what I've bought that I've regretted. Oh, that's a good question. You never regret because I'm a collector, so I collect. Any of the trade teams kit, if it's really bad, I'll wear it once, photograph it, and then put it in storage. But just mainly the sort of the main brand stuff, the fashion labels, I get a bit bored with because I like to be a bit different and everyone wears it. You go and buy a nice top from wherever and then next thing everyone's got it. So
you go on about clothing at once, but this could be about cleats, it could be about bar tape, it could be cycling gear, it could be about anything.
What have I bought that I regret? I've got no regrets, HOTON. I just I'm trying to think. No, I don't have any regrets. That's a good question, but I just don't have any. If I've got it, I would have sold it. There's nothing I've bought that I go, oh, I don't really like that. Wheels, group sets, no, everything's good. I had a disc bike, but I went back to rim, but I've kept disc. But rim's better, but I will go back to disc. So look, I don't know. That's a good question. I don't really have an answer for that one.
Yeah, what I'm gonna say. It sounds like a pass. Okay, but then I pass the serve over to you.
Tell me something. We've been friends on Instagram for years. Am I any different in real life than I am on Instagram? Am I fake? Or be honest, what am I like in real life compared to the way I carry on like an idiot on Instagram?
Okay, first of all, with this video, we are on YouTube, not on Instagram.
Oh, sorry, YouTube.
It might end up in Instagram as well, but I'm not sure. Mm-hmm. Anyway, my last post on Instagram tells just that. Lee Turner is the way he is through and through. Lee Turner is what you call in Norwegian. In Norwegian, you would call it real wood, which means what you see on the outside is on the inside, through and through.
Authentic.
He is for real, authentic. Yes, definitely. Meeting you finally, it exceeded my expectations.
Exceeded.
Yes,
and vice versa.
Not only, but because about who you were, but the way we kind of interact as we meet, person to person, which is just amazing.
Both a little bit crazy.
So I will say that Lee Hollywood Turner, he is great in every way. He's big, he's fast, he's strong, he's funny.
I'm chubby at the moment. I'm chubby. Off season.
Yeah.
HOTON
You
is stylish, tanned, fit, muscular, handsome. Yeah, I can see why the ladies, or in this case his wife, just goes crazy for him.
My goodness, yeah, that was a long response. I feel like this really, it sort of melts out into. So now we are starting to lose the shape of the interview.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah. But thanks a lot. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
If any of you got any questions you'd like to ask us, or something you think we should discuss in depth, please use the commentary section below and let the Fluo Style brother tell you what's right and what's wrong. Now, is it my turn?
Yeah, it's your question.
Yeah.
Yes.
All right.